Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to the ITV Math show. We cut off before the break. I gave you guys 3 minutes. We needed to find the value of W and Y. We found the value of Z. We found the value of X. We're now going to find W and Y. I hope you guys are enjoying the session. I hope you guys are focused. I hope you guys are paying attention. Right, let's get started. Okay, now we need to relate. We need to get to W and we need to get to Y. So we can use any of these angles to relate it. Now, what is W? Now you ask yourself, because this is a question at many grade 11s, now you generally get stuck. Because you ask yourself, where do I go from here? The first place that you start off with is you start off asking yourself, what is W or what is Y directly related to? What is Y directly related to, or what is W directly related to? Let's see. Let's start with Y. We know that Y, if these two lines are parallel, this also becomes a transversal. Remember, right? The line that cuts two parallel lines. So we know angle Y is alternate to angle P. These two angles are equal because these two lines are parallel. Those two angles are equal. So we know if this is Y, we know angle P is also Y. So you can go with a pencil or in a different color, go and label it also Y. Now what is P directly related to? Now there are two theorems here that you could utilize. You don't need to use both, you can use one, depending which one hits you first. Y is directly related to the 140. Remember, because of our spearhead, exterior angle at the center is equal to 2 times angle at the circumference. Therefore, Y must be half of this. Therefore, Y is 70. That's one way of doing it. Which other angle is Y related to? Y is also related to angle X, because if this is 70, angle between tangent and chord is equal to the angle subtended. So whichever way you do it, whether you do angle at center is equal to 2 times angle at circumference, or you do angle between tangent and chord equal to the angle subtended at the circumference in the alternate segment, both reasons would be correct. So let's go back. And now let's see Y. So watch here. We're now going to say angle P is equal to Y. Why is it equal to Y? What is your reason? Alternate angles. Right? These two angles are equal because of these two parallel lines, they are alternate. Now you can either use, so therefore angle Y, Y is equal to 140 divided by 2, right, which is equal to 70 degrees. Why are you saying that? Because exterior angle at center is equal to 2 times angle at circumference. You could have used that one, or you could have used a second rule that if this is Y and if X is Y, X is Y, or if X is 70, Y is also equal to 70, tan chord theorem. So you could have used that, or you could have said tan chord theorem. But you're not going to now say, you're going to say Y is equal to not 140 divided by 2, you're just going to say Y is equal to 70 degrees, because it's also equal to X, which is your tan chord theorem. And there we go. We've now solved for X. We've got X. We've got Y. Y is how much? 70 degrees. That's 70 degrees. We know this entire angle here is 70. Now we know if this is 70, we know this whole angle here as well. Now watch. We know that a line drawn from the center of a circle to a tangent meets it at 90 degrees. So if this whole angle is 90 and that piece is 70, how much is W? W is also equal to 20 degrees. Right, so we have to put the justification there. And how are we going to put the justification? Let's go back. And we're now going to say that OQ is 90 degrees to SQ, because radius is 90 degrees to your tangent. So that's 90. But Y is equal to 70. Y is equal to 70. Proven above. Therefore, let's just use another pen here. Therefore, we now got W, which is equal to 90 degrees minus your 70 degrees, which is equal to 20 degrees. And there we go. We've got our 6 to 7 marks, guys. We solved the rider completely. We found the value of all the unknowns. Okay, we're now going to go into one more. We're going to do another one. We're going to do example number 6, right? We're going to do 1 or 2 more problems here in today's episode. In our next episode, we are then going to be completing similarity and proportionality. So stay tuned to ITV and keep your fingers locked on channel 347.